Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mails Daddy. Here I'm going to show you how you can repair your OST or PST file if you are not able to open it in Outlook. Let's begin. Go to the C drive and select Program File. After that, choose Microsoft Office and click on the root option. Here go to Office 16 and try to search SCANPST tool and click on it. Using this you can repair OST or PST files. Now click on Browse to import OST or PST file from the default saving location. Go to C drive, select Users, and click on HP. Now choose App Data, then go to In Local and hit on Microsoft. After that, click on Outlook and choose the file which you want to repair. Now click on Start in the software for scanning your OST or PST file in 8 phases. Remember, before clicking on the Start button, please close your Outlook. After scanning, it shows how many folders and files are available in your OST or PST file. If you want a backup of your OST or PST file, please enable the checkbox. I will suggest you enable it because if the file gets corrupted at the time of repair, you will have to back up your email database. Now click on the Start button, repair your Outlook data. If you do not get a successful result after repairing the OST file, go for the branded solution Mails Daddy OST to PST converter that successfully repairs all OST file data items and converts them into Outlook PST format. For this, follow this link and click on the download button for downloading Mails Daddy OST to PST converter tool. Now install, activate, and launch it. Click on Add File and use one of these options to add OST files into the software. Now you can view all your emails here. Now click on the Export tab. Choose the Export All folder and select PST here. You can use this advanced option to generate the log report or migration process. Now here, provide the destination location where you want to save your converted PST file, and then click on the Next button. Finally, hit on Export button to start the OST to PST conversion process. After exporting OST to PST file format, close it. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.